Hey, this is James Thompson, Mark Lines. Welcome back. This is our In the Plant series and episode 2. We are going to look through our 31,000 square foot expansion in our new building. But before we do, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and we're going to walk through the doors and check this out. So looking through the first part of our shop, we've got a 4-ton overhead crane, multiple pass-through doors. The second area, we've got all our electrical getting run in, air hoses, 7.5-ton overhead cranes. There's 2 of those. This area is going to be used before we get into the assembly shop. So this is something that I'm really excited about. We have a downdraft paint booth. It's heated. We can preheat our parts, warm them up. We have the ability to bring in a full truck, all LED lighting. The air comes from the ceiling and is vacuumed out of the bottom. This is going to speed up dry times. Coming into our southern building, this is going to be used for MRL's smaller product line. We've got plenty of space. Hey, thanks everyone for coming on a shop tour with us. We really appreciate it. On our next episodes, we're going to highlight new equipment that we have to offer at MRL.